How to open expired link in Telegram. So if you want to open expired links in Telegram, then first you need to open up your Telegram application. And if you go and try opening an expired link, like if you go and try opening a link, then it might say expired, or it might say this invite link is invalid or has expired. Now if a link expires, it is not possible to use. You have to inquire the username of that channel or group and then search it on your search in order to join that channel. So for example, you can simply go with the search on the upper right, and then you need to search for the username of that channel. Just find the username of that channel and then simply search the username. And then if you find the channel, then simply tap on that channel, and once you tap on it here on the bottom, you will have join option. Once you tap on join, then you will be joined to that Telegram channel. So if you have expired link, then there's no way that you can open the expired link on Telegram. You just need to simply search for the username and then you can join. But if you don't know the username, then you will not be able to open the expired link. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.